A wild Labooboo! And a rare glimpse at its nest! And no wonder, Mama Laboobos are kinda shy. Uh-oh, she's gonna miss the big event! Aw, they imprinted on you! Aren't you lucky? Well, we might as well bring them home. And redecorate while we're at it. Here, Lababies, we've got a place just for you. Take a look around. Right, it's kind of empty. Well then, we'll just need to make something. Add some paint. Now, let's cut out a nice Labooboo shape. Of course, Laboobos need to be soft and fuzzy. And we can't forget that iconic face. Besides, you're the star of our new couch. Of course, the real stars are the cushions. And look, there's room for all 5 of you. Looks like you guys could use something to watch. Let's grab a box and whip you up a TV. First, why not have it match the couch? Next, some odds and ends to help it get good reception. I wonder if you can get streaming on this. We need to get these babies caught up. After all, they were just born and all. Just wait until they get to season 7.
Wow.
Silly Labooboo, you can't draw on the wall.
No.
Besides, nothing goes with yellow. Still, let's indulge your creativity with a brand new easel. Some hot glue will keep these joints in place. Your canvas is ready, so let's make you some paints. Complete with your very own palette. Poke some holes. We'll need one for each color. Now just add all the colors you want to paint with. Of course, primary colors work best. You can make all the ones you need. Still, this Labooboo is already thinking orange.
Wow.
Oh, look, he drew his favorite model. You just know that's going on the fridge. Oh, the Lababies are so well behaved and quiet. A little too quiet. Let's make them a game. Fold up some paper and make a few cuts. But it's just one of many different parts. Can you already tell what we're making? It's a Labooboo crane machine game. After all, what could be a better prize? Okay, babies, why don't you give it a whirl? I think it's time we gave you an allowance. Okay, step right up and win a prize. Wow, that was easy. Let's see what you got. Even Laboobos can't resist the Labooboo craze. Ooh, some Labooboo cut the cheese. I'm sure we can craft up a solution. Let's just give this Labooboo a third dimension. Give the ear a push to test things out. After all, our Labooboo latrine needs a good flush. Looks like Pinky wants to break it in. Just make sure you don't break it altogether. Give it a flush and make sure it works. It does! Now you'll need some toiletries. Ugh, you're a mess. We need to fix that. This egg will help Easter come early this year. Tie a band around it. Flip the shell on its side. And soon, you'll have your very own bathtub. Add some water beads and, of course, water. Ooh, now that's what I call a bubble bath. But you're gonna need something to scrub with. Look, it's our old pal Sponge Boy Laboo Pants. Now let's help everyone see your shiny face. Ah, nice and clean. Well, at least one of you is. We're gonna need something for a quick fix. These matchboxes will really get things cooking. Add a cover and some decorations, probably ocean themed. Plus a mirror and whatever you find on a sink. Voila! Now let's clean you up. We only need a little bit of soap. Add some water. That's much better. But your teeth are a special case. But it's nothing a little brushing can't fix. It's always best to add a little extra sparkle. Guess all that cleaning made you hungry. But first, we need to get organized. We'll need something to hold food first. Still, we want to keep the theme going. Can't forget those little Laboo paws.
Cool.
Next, let's mix up some glue and coloring. Yeah, orange is kind of her thing.
Wow.
Now it's time for our secret ingredient. Make some crumbles and give them a nice soak. Use them to cover up our flat Laboo friend. This guy will make the perfect fridge. He's just so cool. Wow, must have been a speedy delivery. Our Lababies are simple folk. All they need is some simple formula. Warm milk's the all-time, all-5 favorite. Wow, the kitchen's really coming together. You know, roosters don't usually lay eggs.
Yes.
But when they do, it comes with a candy surprise. Want a spoon? Or at least a napkin? Oh, I see. You have an idea for the shell. What's in the other half? Oh, one of our Sprunki friends. And more importantly, a suction cup. Next, grab some yarn and add it around the border. The interior could be a little cozier too. Add a cute little seat while we're at it. Soon, you'll all get a seat at the table. Okay, babies, put your paws up and relax. But we're not done with the surprises just yet. Let's start with a simple box. It's break time. Hold on, that's not coffee. But you know what they say about trash and treasure. These pins are just what our oven needs. Can't forget some stovetop buttons.
Cool.
Or that lovely Laboo touch. but we'll need something to cook with. Like a handy-dandy Labooboo pot. Aren't you cute? But what are we gonna cook? Oh, delicious broccoli! And they look like trees! Hope these babies are hungry. Uh-oh! I think they just ruined their appetites.
Oh my god. Phew.
Calm down. Hydrate! Wait, that's it! Take that cup and add some slits all around. Open it like a flower. Now pluck some petals. Add a little bit of hot glue. And another cup. This will help clear up all this mess. Just remember to put everything where it belongs. Good idea. You don't want to touch some of these things. But it still needs a human touch. Some things are too precious to toss. Ah, the whole house looks brand new. And look, we've even got a full spread for the Lababies. Wow, this whole place looks amazing. And to think, they were born outside Laboobos. But yeah, these guys are totally housebroken. That was fun, but it's time for the Lababies to say la-bye-bye. Valentine's came early in Sprunky Land this year. Uh-oh, looks like Oren's about to blow. Detonation is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With Sprunkies, guess it's quantity over quality. Come on, let's check out all the commotion. Just look at our new Sprunky friends. They look so sad. Let's take them home. In fact, why don't we make a place just for them? This looks like a job for some cardboard. Wow, those colors remind me of semi-hemi. That's an idea. We'll make it look like semi-hemi. But, you know, mixed with a carnival attraction. Ooh, the corn tree is once again in bloom. Let's add some in and see what happens.
Wow.
But first, why not turn on the heat? Things are about to start popping around here. Popcorn.
Whoa.
Aim for the cup. The cup! Looks great. Where's the salt? Maybe some butter. Hold on, that's not for you. It's a Sprunky treat. Eat up, guys. Don't worry, we'll help you. Uh-oh, now they're thirsty, and we didn't even add salt. Why don't we whip up a drink stand? And who better to help than our old pal Coca? Of course, variety is the spice of life. Add a coin and pick your poison. Durple's getting orange soda, a classic. Next up, some cola and lemon lime. Simon just loves citrus. Now green for red and red for green. Some Sprunkies gotta dance. They're maniacs on the floor. Okay, don't make us separate you two. why don't we roll out the cardboard carpet? And whip you up a place to work out all your energy. But don't forget, we'll need something they can fit into. Something with a nice sprunky touch. It's Ratty, and he's electric. Huh, make that magnetic. Now he can put the go in go-karts. We could race these guys, but there's really nowhere to go. So why not lay back and enjoy the ride?